Welcome to our deep dive into Amazon SDE 3 interview questions. If you're aiming for a senior engineering role at Amazon, you'll quickly realize these interviews are not just a tougher version of SDE 2 rounds. The expectations shift dramatically. Amazon is looking for engineers who can handle ambiguity, design robust systems, debug production issues, mentor others, and still deliver solid code under pressure. In this video, we'll explore the real questions asked, the patterns behind them, and the skills you need to succeed. Let's start by understanding what makes SDE 3 interviews unique and why Amazon sets the bar so high for senior engineers. Amazon, the SDE 3 position marks a significant leap in responsibility. Unlike earlier roles, SDE 3s are expected to operate independently, make critical decisions, and influence technical direction. You're not just coding, you're architecting solutions, mentoring peers, and ensuring the team's success. The interview process reflects this shift, focusing on your ability to handle complex scenarios and lead by example. Understanding the expectations for this role is crucial before you even start preparing for the interview. Let's break down what Amazon looks for in its senior engineers and how these qualities are tested. Amazon's SDE 3 interviews are structured to evaluate a wide range of skills. Candidates face rounds that mix practical data structures and algorithms, DSA, system design, low-level design, and Amazon's leadership principles. The process is rigorous, with each round designed to test not only your technical abilities, but also your approach to problem-solving and leadership. By understanding the structure, you can tailor your preparation and focus on the areas that matter most. Let's walk through the typical interview stages and see how Amazon blends technical and behavioral assessments. After reviewing multiple SDE 3 interview experiences shared on LeetCode Discuss, a clear pattern emerges. Amazon tightly integrates practical coding, system design, and leadership questions. This approach ensures candidates are well-rounded and can handle real-world challenges. The questions are not random. They're crafted to reveal your strengths and weaknesses as a senior engineer. Recognizing these patterns can help you anticipate what's coming and prepare more effectively. Let's explore the types of questions you'll encounter and how they reflect Amazon's expectations. Coding questions remain a core part of the SDE 3 interview. However, they're more practical and complex than earlier rounds. You'll be asked to solve problems that require not just algorithmic knowledge, but also an understanding of system constraints and trade-offs. These questions often simulate real production issues, pushing you to think beyond textbook solutions. Let's look at some examples and discuss how to approach them with a senior engineer mindset. One of the actual coding questions asked is the maximum total bitrate over time. Imagine a video streaming service receiving multiple streams, each with a start time, end time, and bitrate. Your task is to find the maximum total bitrate required at any time. This problem tests your ability to handle intervals, optimize resource allocation, and think in terms of real-world system demands. It's a classic example of how Amazon blends practical coding with system thinking. To solve the maximum total bitrate problem, you need to use the line sweep algorithm. This technique involves converting each interval into two events, adding bitrate at the start time and subtracting bitrate at the end time. By sorting all events and scanning through them, you can maintain the current bitrate and find the maximum required. This approach is efficient and widely used in scenarios involving overlapping intervals. Understanding the line sweep algorithm is essential for tackling similar problems in Amazon interviews. System design questions are a major component of SDE 3 interviews. You'll be asked to design scalable, reliable systems that can handle real-world challenges. These questions test your ability to make trade-offs, choose appropriate technologies, and justify your decisions. Amazon expects you to think big, anticipate potential issues, and demonstrate a deep understanding of architecture. Let's discuss how to approach system design questions and what interviewers are looking for. Low-level design questions require you to dive deep into the details of your solution. You'll need to specify data structures, algorithms, and how components interact. Amazon values engineers who can not only design systems, but also implement them efficiently. These questions often reveal your ability to balance performance, maintainability, and scalability. Let's explore strategies for excelling in low-level design rounds and the key areas to emphasize. Amazon's leadership principles are woven into every interview round. You'll be asked behavioral questions that assess your alignment with these principles, such as ownership, bias for action, and delivering results. Senior engineers are expected to lead by example, mentor others, and drive the team forward. Demonstrating your understanding of these principles is just as important as your technical skills. Let's review how to prepare for leadership-focused questions and showcase your strengths. One of the key traits Amazon looks for in SDE 3 candidates is the ability to handle ambiguity. Senior engineers often face situations where requirements are unclear or evolving. Your ability to navigate uncertainty, ask the right questions, and make informed decisions sets you apart. Interviewers will present scenarios that test your adaptability and problem-solving skills. Let's discuss techniques for handling ambiguous situations and making confident choices. Bugging is a critical skill for senior engineers. Amazon interviewers often present real production issues and ask you to diagnose and resolve them. This tests your ability to think under pressure, use systematic approaches, and communicate your reasoning. Being able to quickly identify root causes and propose effective solutions is essential. Let's explore best practices for debugging and how to demonstrate your expertise during interviews. Mentoring is a core responsibility for SDE 3s. Amazon values engineers who can guide others, share knowledge, and foster a collaborative environment. Interviewers may ask about your experience mentoring junior engineers or resolving team conflicts. Demonstrating your ability to build strong relationships and support your team is crucial. Let's discuss how to highlight your mentoring skills and collaborative mindset in interviews. Amazon expects senior engineers to deliver high-quality code even in stressful situations. Interview questions often simulate tight deadlines or unexpected issues. Your ability to stay calm, prioritize tasks, and maintain code quality is tested. Let's review strategies for writing solid code under pressure and how to showcase your resilience during interviews. Preparing for Amazon SDE 3 interviews requires a strategic approach. Focus on mastering practical coding, system design, and leadership principles. Practice solving real-world problems, reviewing past interview experiences, and simulating interview conditions. Let's discuss effective preparation techniques and resources to help you succeed. LeetCode Discuss is a valuable resource for interview preparation. Candidates share their experiences, questions, and strategies. Reviewing these stories helps you identify patterns, anticipate challenges, and learn from others' successes and mistakes. Let's explore how to leverage LeetCode Discuss for your Amazon SDE 3 interview prep. Curated list of Amazon SDE 3 interview questions reveals the depth and variety of topics covered. From coding challenges to system design and leadership scenarios, the questions are designed to test every aspect of your engineering skill set. Reviewing these questions helps you focus your preparation and identify areas for improvement. Let's look at some examples and discuss how to approach them. System design questions often require you to make trade-offs between scalability, reliability, and cost. Amazon wants to see how you evaluate options, justify your choices, and anticipate future needs. Being able to articulate your reasoning and defend your decisions is key. Let's discuss common trade-offs and how to address them in interviews. Amazon interviewers often present real-world scenarios that require practical solutions. These questions test your ability to apply theoretical knowledge to actual engineering challenges. Demonstrating your experience with similar situations and your problem-solving approach is crucial. Let's review how to tackle real-world scenario questions and showcase your expertise. Behavioral questions are designed to assess your fit with Amazon's culture and leadership principles. Using the STAR method, situation, task, action, result, helps you structure your answers and highlight your impact. Practice telling stories that demonstrate your leadership, ownership, and ability to deliver results. Let's discuss strategies for answering behavioral questions effectively. Amazon expects SDE 3 candidates to demonstrate both technical depth and breadth. You should be able to dive deep into specific technologies while also understanding broader architectural concepts. Interviewers may ask follow-up questions to test your knowledge and adaptability. Let's discuss how to showcase your technical expertise and versatility. Effective communication is essential for senior engineers. Amazon interviewers assess your ability to explain complex ideas clearly, collaborate with others, and lead discussions. Practicing clear, concise communication helps you stand out. Let's review techniques for improving your communication skills and making a strong impression during interviews. Managing your time during interviews is crucial. Amazon interviews are fast-paced, and you need to balance thoroughness with efficiency. Practice solving problems within time limits and prioritize key points in your answers. Let's discuss time management strategies to help you stay focused and deliver strong responses. Receiving and acting on feedback is a valuable skill for senior engineers. Amazon interviewers may provide hints or corrections during interviews to see how you respond. Demonstrating openness, adaptability, and a willingness to learn is important. Let's discuss how to handle feedback gracefully and use it to improve your performance. Reflecting on your interview performance helps you identify strengths and areas for improvement. After each round, take notes on what went well and what could be better. Use this feedback to adjust your preparation and approach. Let's discuss the importance of post-interview reflection and how to use it for growth. Many candidates make avoidable mistakes during Amazon SDE 3 interviews. These include neglecting leadership principles, failing to justify decisions, or overlooking system constraints. Being aware of common pitfalls helps you prepare more effectively and avoid them. Let's review frequent mistakes and how to steer clear of them. Confidence is key to performing well in interviews. Amazon interviewers notice candidates who approach problems with assurance and clarity. Practice, preparation, and positive mindset help build confidence. Let's discuss ways to boost your confidence and present yourself as a strong candidate. Mock interviews are an effective way to prepare for Amazon SDE 3 rounds. Simulating real interview conditions helps you practice answering questions, managing time, and handling stress. Seek feedback from peers or mentors to improve your performance. Let's discuss how to set up and benefit from mock interviews. There are many resources available for Amazon SDE 3 interview preparation. LeetCode, system design books, and leadership principle guides are popular choices. Using a mix of resources helps you cover all aspects of the interview. Let's review recommended resources and how to use them effectively. Connecting with peers who have gone through Amazon SDE 3 interviews provides valuable insights. Sharing experiences, discussing strategies, and learning from others' journeys can boost your preparation. Let's discuss the benefits of networking and how to build supportive relationships. Interview trends and question formats evolve over time. Staying updated with the latest experiences and resources ensures your preparation is relevant. Follow forums, blogs, and official Amazon updates to keep your knowledge current. Let's discuss how to stay informed and adapt your preparation. Amazon SDE 3 interviews require a balance of technical expertise and leadership ability. Excelling in both areas makes you a standout candidate. Practice integrating technical solutions with leadership principles in your answers. Let's discuss how to balance these skills and present yourself as a well-rounded engineer. Amazon values engineers who make a measurable impact. Use examples from your experience to demonstrate how you've solved problems, improved systems, or mentored others. Quantifying your contributions helps interviewers see your value. Let's discuss ways to showcase your impact during interviews. Stress is a natural part of interviews, especially for senior roles. Amazon interviewers observe how you manage stress and maintain performance. Practicing relaxation techniques and staying focused helps you handle pressure. Let's discuss strategies for managing stress and staying calm during interviews. Senior engineers are expected to continuously learn and grow. Amazon values candidates who stay curious, update their skills, and seek new challenges. Demonstrating your commitment to learning sets you apart. Let's discuss how to highlight your continuous learning mindset during interviews. Ethics and integrity are important values at Amazon. Interviewers may ask about situations where you faced ethical dilemmas or had to make tough choices. Demonstrating honesty, transparency, and responsibility is crucial. Let's discuss how to address ethics and integrity questions in interviews. Amazon's culture is unique, and interviewers assess your fit with the company's values and principles. Understanding the culture and aligning your answers with it helps you stand out. Let's discuss how to demonstrate cultural fit and connect with Amazon's values during interviews. As you approach your Amazon SDE 3 interview, remember to stay calm, be confident, and focus on both technical and leadership skills. Review your preparation, practice mock interviews, and seek feedback. Let's wrap up with final tips to help you succeed and make a lasting impression. Summary: Amazon SDE 3 interviews are challenging but rewarding. Focus on mastering practical coding, system design, and leadership principles. Prepare strategically, practice mock interviews, and learn from others' experiences. Demonstrate your impact, adaptability, and commitment to continuous learning. With the right preparation, you can succeed and advance your engineering career at Amazon. Now that you understand the Amazon SDE 3 interview process, it's time to start preparing. Set up a study plan, practice coding and system design, and review leadership principles. Connect with peers, seek feedback, and stay updated with the latest resources. Let's discuss actionable next steps to help you begin your journey. Academic is a learning hub for programmers, developers, and engineers. Its goal is to democratize coding education and provide valuable resources for interview preparation. Leveraging platforms like Stackademic can enhance your learning and help you stay ahead. Let's explore how to use learning hubs for your Amazon SDE 3 prep. Anurag Goel, the author, shares insights from his experience in finance, engineering, and life. Keeping things light while tackling serious business is his approach. Learning from experts and their stories can inspire and guide your preparation. Let's discuss the value of expert insights and how to incorporate them into your study plan. Amazon SDE 3 interviews are a gateway to advancing your engineering career. By mastering the skills and principles discussed, you position yourself for growth and leadership. Take ownership of your preparation, seek continuous improvement, and aim for excellence. Let's discuss how to build a successful engineering career at Amazon and beyond. Motivation is essential for sustained preparation and success. Set clear goals, celebrate milestones, and stay positive throughout your journey. Amazon SDE3 interviews are demanding, but with determination and the right mindset, you can achieve your ambitions. Let's discuss ways to stay motivated and keep moving forward. Thank you for joining this comprehensive guide to Amazon SDE3 interview questions. We've covered the unique aspects of the interview process, practical preparation strategies, and the skills required to succeed. Remember, the journey to becoming a senior engineer at Amazon is challenging but achievable with dedication and the right approach. Best of luck on your interview journey and future career.